Hi everyone, welcome to fourth tutorial session on TypeStock assembly. This is Satisha Kumar K, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. In this session, I will explain the TypeStock assembly using TypeStock parts. In previous session, we already studied the part modeling of TypeStock assembly. Now let us go for assembly of TypeStock. Okay, after completion of 19 parts part modeling under tailstock assembly, now we will go for assembly of tailstock. First click on the assembly section. You can see in left corner or dialog box you can observe. First you have to drag the part number 5 into the sheet, then part number 4, then you have to move the cursor. You can observe the edges. That edges should align with that circle, that part. Okay, next go to part number 6 to bring on the screw. That one you have to insert to here. Here you can observe, while click move will cursor move over the part, you can see three dotted lines. Then you have to right click, you can select the edge, select the circle edge like this. Likewise, see three dotted line, right click, edge, that circle. Likewise, you have to insert the screw into the part number 4. After that, part number 8, rotate the drawing like this, then right click, edge you have to select that edge, that one should align with that circle. Then washer 8, select, right click, edge, that edge should align with that edge. Then go to nut you have to insert, so that right click, edge, that circle should align with that small circle. That one is over. Now go to ISO mode, fit sheet, then go to part number 1 body, and you have to bring into the sheet by dragging. Then select the drawing like this, right click, edge, that edge should align with that circle. Next, ISO, fit sheet, then part number that part number 3 into the sheet. Here first axial align, that axis, the cylinder surface should align with inner hole. Then keep it in front view mode, fit sheet, select move command, select the drawing like this at the x-axis, then move the cursor in no direction up to that much. Fit sheet, then go to part number 19. Here also tip of the circle, right click, that edge you would select, inner edge, then inner circle. Likewise, ISO fit sheet. Next, stud, part number 11 into the sheet, select bottom circle, right click, edge, inner circle you have to select, then here also inner circle you have to select, that's the inner circle you have to select, click. Next, washer, you have to bring the washer into the sheet, fit sheet, washer 16, right click, edge, then that circle. Next, nut M6. Before that one, handle. Handle, bottom circle you select, right click, inner circle, then that circle. ISO spreadsheet. Now you have to rotate the drawing like this. Then go to one more washer M6 16. Select upper circle, right click, then edge, then that small circle you have select. Okay. Next one, M16 nut. So upper surface, edge, then that circle. That portion is over. ISO spreadsheet. Next part number 17. Washer, upper circle, edge you select, that circle you select. And nut. 18. Bottom surface you select, right click, edge you select in a small circle, then that circle. Next, part number fit sheet, ISO and fit sheet. Then next part, square bolt and nut, bolt. Part number 16, that surface you have to select, right click, edge you have to select, then bottom circle you have to select like this. Okay, next, you have to bring the part number 15. ISO fit sheet, part number 15. Select that surface, that face you have to select, that face you have to select, that face should align with that face. Okay. Next, the bottom surface, that surface should align with that square bolt surface. ISO fit sheet. That completes the assembly of tailstock. That's the top view, front view, right side view. Now ISO mode, spreadsheet, save the drawing, and save the drawing in desired folder. Okay, next we have to bring this one into 2D view. For that, select File, create drawing, OK. Next, front you have to select, next, top you have to select, and isometric view you have to select and bring it into sheet. Now you have to change the page setup. Sheet setup you have to change into A2 to A4. Remove the background, save default, OK. Bring the drawing into inside the sheet by dragging the drawings inside the sheet, fit sheet. Now you have to change the desired scale, whichever you want. You can change the scales, but drawing should be inside the sheet only. Likewise, you have to select the scales and keep it in 0.35. Okay, after that, first you have to delete front view and go to cutting plane. Now select top view and with the line command draw one horizontal line like this. Then finish. Select section view and select that line. Move the cursor upward direction. Click here. Now you can see sections front sectional view of tailstock assembly is over. This procedure you can use only for if the question asks sectional front view or full sectional front view. then only you can use this type of the method you can use. Otherwise you have to go for broken out section. And this one is the front view, sectional front view, and top view, and isometric view. So metric view, tie stock assembly. That completes the tie stock assembly.